In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a magazine inner content design on Canva. Open Canva and search for magazine or newsletter templates, or start from scratch with a custom design. For print, set the size to 8.5 by 11 inches, or 210 by 297 millimeters, and choose portrait orientation. Templates are great for speed, but a blank canvas gives you full control. Either way, think about your theme and audience before you place anything, so your choices feel intentional. Now add your content and layout. For images, upload your own photos or use Canva's library. Drop images into frames or grids to keep edges tidy and proportions correct. Use crop and position to focus on the subject, and keep images large enough to print crisply. Avoid stretching instead, resize while holding the corner handles and let the frame do the work. Add text for headings, subheadings, and body copy. Establish hierarchy by mixing a clean sans serif for headings with a highly readable serif for paragraphs. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts to keep the design cohesive. Set clear differences in size and weight between levels, adjust line height for comfortable reading, and stick to consistent alignment. Left align body text and keep similar margins across pages. Enhance the page with elements. Use rectangles as subtle background blocks behind text, lines as dividers to separate sections, and small icons to support ideas. Keep strokes and corner radiuses consistent, and align elements to your underlying grid so everything feels connected. Design opposite pages together as a spread. Zoom out to see both pages at once and align baselines, headlines, and image edges across the gutter. Reuse repeating elements like color bars or section labels to create flow from one page to the next, and keep important text away from the inner edge so it doesn't feel cramped. Refine and style your work. Check typography first. Consistent font pairs, sizes, and spacing will make the layout easy to scan. Define a tight color palette that matches your theme, sampling colors from your images when possible, and keep contrast strong for readability. Build visual hierarchy with size, color, and weight so the eye lands on key information first, and use white space to group related items and give the page breathing room. When you're ready, download your file. Choose PDF print for professional printing, or PDF standard for digital sharing. Give it a final glance in the preview, then export and you're done. Thanks for watching.